Dana, mamaw yo.
Ron, kaya Ron.
Pare, may salabatan. Puta ni Dana. Jambo ya, Brads.
Papakligrad mo.
Ay, Dana, oh. Bala mo crab yo.
Lobster boy.
Lobster yo.
Pelo na yan.
May pangin ni Ron.
Nasi tong litik.
Ron, pakit may kain ni.
Tete am.
Tani Dana, oh. Ron, tala may kain Ron.
Gagal.
Tani Dana, oh. Tagul na, oh.
Solid dyan.
Ulang fishing. Yan, ganyan po pag kinakagat ng ulang. Turo ni Master Bok.
Wala lata ba? Pero
Bok, marap ka pa, Bok. Ron, marap ko pa mo, Ron. Pare, mag-hi ka pa, pare. Daramitan dala, pare. Ito.
yes, man.
Fok. Yan, ito ang ulang. May ipit.
May ipit din ako.
Kaya lang inipit ko rin siya. Bok, ano yan?
Pangulang.
Panta.
Talitang pangulang.
Galing mo, Bok. Ron, makakarami ba tayo?
Sigurado.
Dok, ano, Dok? Makakailan?
Si Ron na yung bala sa akin.
Pupuno yung cooler, Dok.
Oo, pupuno.
Saan ba to, Bok? Sa Pampanga River?
San Simon, Pampanga, River.
Ganda dito, ano?
Kaya kailan uling may nagulang dito?
Hindi. Yung to, mga mission.
Kahapon meron.
Wala pang biyahe lang.
Right. Sana the best.
Ulanger Sangers.
Ulang. Master Doki. Master Doki. Batakan me, Dok. Dok, batakan me, Dok.
Parang po doon malayo.
Ay, Dana, Dok. Sakmalan me. Eh, puta ni Dana. Dagul na. Mamaw ya, Dok.
Wala sila pa rin mapatagal. Higit mo rin marami.
Pakita mo muna yung huli mo.
Yung puga ngayon. Pwede yan.
Yan. Asul-asul. May puga.
Kanan may yan.
Laki.
Pag may puga, dapat release.
Oo, release.
Huwag mong kainin, Bok. Huwag mong isigang.
Release yan.
Craig, how's it? Look at the camera, man.
Oh!
Oh, see, there's a bite. Oh, look at the rod tip, man. Oh, see? Oh, how was it, Craig? What can you say?
Very entertaining.
It's nice. Look at the camera, man. Meron yan. Yes, Kuya Craig, galing. Kuya, I'm so proud of you, man. Show it to the camera, video. Show it to the video, man. Galing mo, the best. Woo! Akin na, Craig. Akin na. Open the veil. Let's show it to the video. Yan. Oh, reel in. Yan. Good. Oh. Show it to the camera. Wow. What's that, Kuya? Giant prawn. The best. Congrats, Kuya. Laki, mamaw. Kuya, video ko nga, Kuya. Galing.
Oh my days, bro.
It's giant. Giant, man. Hendrix, ha? Hold it. Hold it properly, mahulog. Hold it dito, hold mo yan. Hold! Tight! Tight! Show to the camera, Hendrix.
Tighter.
Itapat mo bang ko?
This is your what? Second prawn, man. Nice. What's your catch, man? You like it?
Tignan ko nga, Hendrix.
Man, relax, up, go, up. Sige pa. Sige, kuya, go. Go, man, go. Uy, galing. It's big one, man. Nice. Wow. Say hi, man. Oh, see? Oh, it's nice, big.
Anong pain mo?
Trix, congrats on your next, on your catch. The second one, right?
Yeah.
Wow, so big, man. Trix, that's your fourth one, man. The best. Before, wala ka nakukuha, no, Hendrix, now. You have 4 na, Hendrix, man. Hendrix. Craig. Hendrix, galing ah. Common. Eh, wag kayo nag-aaway. Your fifth one, man. Good, good.
The luck. Who has the luck?
Good. What can you say, Hendrix? What?
That's my spot.
Are you enjoying, Hendrix? Hirap mo dito.
Huwag mo ko siya kuhan, baka malaglag.
Malaglag dito. Move back mo.
Sa baba lang.
Wow, it's good. It's so big. Congrats, Kuya. The camera. What can you say? Can you say about the fishing adventure, man? Hendrix, tagli mo, Loy. Ha? Look at the camera, man. Loy, ika, Loy. Ano? Ayun. Ayan, ulam namin, tinola and fried chicken. The best. It's a mamaw. Mamaw ulang. Atras mo kami. This is the mamaw ulang. This is how you do it.
Mamaw.
Ah, malaki to. Malaki.
Ay,
Palaban. Palaban. Ay.
Ay.
Palaban. Palaban.
Wow.
Galing. Galing, Loy. Kami mayatang kayo, Loy. Galing, galing. Mamaw.
Is that alive?
Laki nito, oh.
That is just dead.
That's the one I caught.
That is
Yeah.
just dead. Okay. Oh shoot! There's a parasite on this.
No, there's not, you niggy.